Hey everyone, I'm Sam from BioCosplay. I just wanted to do a quick video on how I've been smoothing out monster clay and removing some of the tool marks. So after going through and getting it as smooth as I can with this little tool, it's just kind of going like a crosshatch pattern. But at a certain point there are still, little tool lines on there. So I've been taking a paper towel and some isopropyl alcohol. This is 91%. And I put a bit of the alcohol on the paper towel. And I'll just kind of loosely crumple it up so it gets in all the nooks and crannies. And I just kind of rub it back and forth on there until it smooths it out. And then I go in with the dry part of the paper towel and kind of wipe it off and buff it out. And that seems to get it pretty smooth. Sometimes it takes a couple passes. Depends on how deep your tool marks are. And, some of these deeper ridges here take a bit more finagling to get the paper towel in there. I should note this is the medium monster clay, so I don't know if smoothing works differently on the hard or soft. I haven't tried either of those. Tried to bring the camera in for a bit more of a close-up of this little jaw section so you can see how it changes it. And I try to be pretty gentle with it. I don't really want to change the shape of the sculpt too much. I'm just trying to take away these little lines, and that's mostly it. If you found this video helpful, let me know. If you know of better ways to smooth monster clay, or if you have some favorite ways to smooth monster clay, let me know that as well. I'm thinking about doing a video on molding and casting this mask as well, so if you're interested in that, look out for that in the future, and thanks for watching.